How's it going, y'all? My name is Aiden Anderson, and this is the Moscow Minutes. I'll be bringing you the latest from the Latah County Commissioner Meetings from the week of March 20th, 2022. A few highlights from this week include a monthly elected officials and department heads meeting, a liquor license approval, property tax exemptions, and continued ARPA fund discussion. Let's get into it. Monday began with a regular meeting between the heads of the Latah County departments and its elected officials, including the county commissioners, the treasurer, the county assessor, and the county auditor. They each gave a general update on the projects that they've been involved with in the past month. The main highlight from this was the new grant policies and procedures that the county commissioners recently approved and which the head of the grants department passed along to the heads of the county at this meeting. The commissioners followed this up with an executive session for a personnel annual review and personnel timesheets. After that, the commissioners met with the owner of The Fugitive, soon to open up at 302 South Main Street in Moscow, to discuss their application for a new liquor license. They approved this liquor license after highlighting their expectations for liquor license owners in the county. The commissioners then approved a hazard mitigation/wildfire protection plan to look at some potential county fire hazards before moving on to a round of property tax exemptions. All of these were approved, save one belonging to Root Forest LLC, on account of some legal concerns, particularly whether or not they filed under the right segment and whether or not they would be qualified, therefore, for their property tax exemption. So that will go back to the county legal department to determine that after the fact, which Root Forest LLC will be able to file the appropriate paperwork. Last on Monday, the commissioners approved a new member to the Fair Board, as well as the Latah County Historical Society's choice for a new lead candidate. Wednesday began with an executive session for a client-attorney communication alongside a personnel issue. The commissioners then began a discussion on ARPA fund commitments, especially focused on the new EMS system for emergency services, water district requests, and the incorporated cities requests from previous meetings. They did not commit any of their funds at this meeting. Rather, this was a discussion about details and new information pertaining to these requests, as the amount that has been requested from the county in total actually exceeds the amount that they have been allocated. There is some tension in this regard, both in looking at the fiduciary responsibility of the county, as well as those things they would like to prioritize, such as the water issue. To complicate matters are issues such as rising costs for materials associated with these requests. So, rather than make a decision at this meeting, the commissioners are going to continue their discussion next week. And that was the latest from the Latah County Commissioner Meetings. As always, we'll have the appropriate links posted with this video, and if you have any questions, let us know. This is Aiden Anderson with the Moscow Minutes. See you next time.